May katawa-tawang eksena sa Senado ngayong araw, Mayo 26, nang magpasalamat si Senator Pia Cayetano kay Senator Lito Lapid sa buwan-buwan nitong padalang Maha Blanca at suman sa kanya maging sino mang miyembro siya ng majority bloc. Sagot ni Lapid, paraan na niya raw iyon ng pagsasabing, mahal kita. Pasingit naman ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, kapatid ni Pia, bakit daw sisig ang pinapadala sa kanya gayong nagtitake na siya ng maintenance para sa kolesterol. Iniisip ko kung mahal din niya ako o si Senator Pia lang ang mahal niya. Anya ay panoorin ang buong talakayan.
I'd just like to comment. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Senator Lito Lapid na kahit na magkaiba na tayo ng partido, I think we are batchmates, so magkasama kami since 2004. So majority, minority, buwan-buwan nagpapadala pa rin siya sa akin ng Maha Blanca at Suman. Maraming salamat po.
Gusto ko kasi malaman mo na mahal kita.
President, Senator Lito Lapid is seeking the floor. May I move that he be acknowledged, Mr. President?
May I ask for silence? We want to listen to the legend, Senator Lapid.
Salamat po, Mr. President. Kaliwanagan lang po, manifestation lang. Tungkol po yung nangyari kahapon at marami po kumakalat sa social media na ako'y lumipat na sa majority. Hindi po totoo yan. Nananatili po ako sa minority group at hindi po ako alis dito. At yung pong motion ni Senator Zubiri kahapon ay sinusuportahan ko po. Hindi ko lang po ako nakapagsalita kahapon. Kala ko may botohan. Ngayon pala wala naman. Hiling ko lang po dito sa Senado. Sana magkaisa tayo. Iwasan ang ba ngayon? Ang dami-dami natin bisitang pari dito. Palakpakan po natin sila. Para ipagdasal na po kami na magkaisa na kami para maibalik ang dangal ng Senado. Maraming salamat po.
Your manifestation is noted and wala ka man sa majority, Senator Lito Lapid, nandiyan ka parati sa puso namin.
Mr. President.
Senator Pia Cayetano.
I'd just like to comment. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Senator Lito Lapid na kahit na magkaiba na tayo ng partido, I think we are batchmates, so magkasama kami since 2004. So majority, minority, buwan-buwan nagpapadala pa rin siya sa akin ng Maha Blanca at Suman. Maraming salamat po.
Gusto ko kasi malaman mo na mahal kita.
What does the brother say?
No, I am trying to figure out bakit Maha Blanca ang binibigay sa kanya samantalang sinabi ko na kay Kuya Lito Lapid na ako'y umiinom na ng maintenance medicine para sa kolesterol pero sisig pa rin ang dinadala niya para sa akin. So iniisip ko kung mahal din niya ako o si Senator Pia lang ang kanyang mahal.
Mr. President, nilalapit ka daw niya sa Diyos. Mr. President, at this juncture, I move that we dispense with the reading of the journal of the 67th session, May 25, 2026, and consider the same as approved.
Let us first recognize the former Senate President and the present Minority Leader. Senator Tito Soto, sir.
Thank you, sir. I am not objecting. I would just like to make sure that the manifestation of Senator Lapid is manifested in the journal because
Yes.
in the journal yesterday, it is manifested that he did not agree with the motion of Senator Zubiri. So we want that
Yes, so
corrected.
before we approve the journal should accurately reflect that Senator Lito Lapid agreed with every member of the minority. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
And in the end, we agreed as a body to find a way forward. Yes. Senator Erwin Tulfo, you are
Senator Erwin
recognized.
is...
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, Majority Floor Leader. It's a quick manifestation, or if not, a sort of point of clarification, Mr. President.
Please proceed.
I heard that the media are their access to areas in the Senate are limited. Is there a new rule right now, Mr. President? they are banned from going to the sixth floor to conduct interviews or wait for our VIPs, and then they're not allowed anymore in our railings. I mean,
I will check. I have no information. I have not moved to the sixth floor.
Please,
I am still holding office here. Sometimes we ask them to allow us to pass going to the session hall. We can't blame them because the Senate is hot topic. There's been some senators who have asked because usually we confine to some areas, but because of the activity since May 11, everyone wants to get their footage, whether in their official camera. So I think we've just asked for a little bit of order here, but let me inquire. But so far, I have no information that we're limiting any movement from the media.
thank you, Mr. President, because that's they were told by I don't know. I really don't know whose order did it come from.
They were told that
They're not allowed to go to the sixth floor anymore and to move away from the railings because they were just surprised, Mr. President, that they need a previous.
let me check the sixth floor because I don't hold office in the sixth floor.
Yes, so they're asking if there's a new rule, Mr. President.
Yes, but as far as the railings is concerned, that has been an old ruling. Before they're even allowed on the floor. When you were not still a senator, sir, before 3 o'clock. But what happens is that sometimes the Senate President, that was before I left the Senate to go to DFA, Senate Majority Leader. No? I don't know when we changed the rule na hindi sila pwede sa floor. But they have allotted space all over, but we also have guests. And then our staff has the first row for obvious reasons. But of course, when there's activity on the floor, they move forward. So if it's just a reminder to give the staff enough space and also enough room, that's okay. But if they're being prohibited or in any way they're being hampered from doing their job, then I'll make sure that that doesn't happen. But having said that, we do have limited space all over and medyo mas marami na talagang media ngayon.
Thank you for the clarification, Mr. President, and for that assurance. Thank you.
Thank you for bringing it up, Senator Tulfo.
Money.